Describing the great outdoors, spatial relations and English. Hello, learners. Welcome to our lesson on spatial relations, specifically focusing on the concept of outside. Today, we're going to explore the English language and learn how to describe things in relation to being outside of other objects or spaces. This is an important part of communication in English, so let's get started. Firstly, what does outside mean in English? It's a preposition that indicates a location or position exterior to something else. It's the opposite of inside. When something is not contained by the boundaries of an object or area, we say it is outside. Here are some examples. The cat is outside the box. We are sitting outside the cafe. Now, let's see how we can use outside in our sentences. To express that something is located externally, we use outside before the object. Always remember that outside is followed by the object in question. Here's an example. The children are playing outside the house. Note how house follows outside, indicating the children are not within the boundaries of the house. Next, we have some common phrases using outside. 1. Outside of. This phrase is used to indicate apart from or except for. For example, 2. Outside of work. I love to read books. 3. From the outside. This phrase is used to describe a view or perception from an external perspective. For example, 4. The building looks huge from the outside. 5. Step outside. This phrase means to go outdoors from an indoor location. For example, 6. Could you step outside for a moment? Lastly, let's learn some opposite prepositions for outside. The opposite of outside could be inside or within. These prepositions indicate a location or position interior to something else. For example, the dog is inside the house. The key is within the box. That brings us to the end of our lesson on the spatial relation, outside. Remember to practice using outside in your daily English conversations. It's essential for describing locations, and your understanding of this concept will definitely help improve your English proficiency. We hope you found this lesson helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!